Okay guys, welcome back to the channel. So if you're on an E63 or an E60, because this applies for both cars, you'll probably know that these cars come with an automatic trunk release, which means when you hold the trunk button or the boot button in the UK, your trunk and boot lid will open up automatically, but obviously won't shut automatically. Now, this one, probably like many others out there, many E60s, E63s, is not working properly. So today we're going to be repairing that and I'm going to show you how to do that. So let's get on to this video.
Goddamn, get it done, will ya? Woo. When the blow up now, everybody's so unusual with it. Shit. But said times in his rhymes, cause his memories. We running through New York, so you know.
Okay guys, so if you're on an E63 or E60, you'll probably notice that your trunk does something like this. When you go to unlock it, it will just open to about this section and that's it. It doesn't open any higher than that unless you push it up, which you shouldn't have to do. These trunks are automatic and they should go up on their own, but this one isn't doing that. You see again, once you shut it and open it, it does come up about halfway, but that's because of a simple fix on these that many people can do to fix it themselves. I'm going to show you how to do that, but obviously it ain't easy because you have to remove a load of the panels inside to be able to get to that. Now inside here you have all these panels you're going to have to remove. You have to take out this one, you have to take out the other one on the other side as well. You have to remove them all to be able to get to what we need to get to repair this automatic trunk release. Once we get these off, I'll be able to show you why the trunk is not opening automatically. So what I'm going to go ahead and do is just remove everything from the trunk area. Now the trunk is just held on with all little clips that you can just remove yourself, like self-pushing clips, which I'll just use a tool like that to pull them up. You've got one in the corner here, which you'll see I'll just pull it up, just like that. And just keep them safe. They look something like that. That's what you're going to find all around holding all the interior lining to the actual boot area. You'll also have some up here, which you'll have to remove. Take these ones out as well for you so you guys can see. Got another one right here, and as you can see here, the carpet piece is actually broken off. Don't know if someone's been in here before already. We've also got some over the other side here as well. See there, that's another one. And as I said, that's all it is, located all on the boot line is to remove them. You have to probably take out the Torxes from here as well to gain access to it. You see there another one, let's come out. There'll be another one located at the back here, which we're just gonna target. Got it right there. And now all four of them are out. Now, we're gonna have to take this out. Now you do have screw-in tabs which you have to remove, which are just here. So I'm just removing them. They just screw in. Very easy to come out. You just see it's like that. This side doesn't have one. So you also have two right down here holding this plastic piece to the rear of the trunk area, which you'll have to get them out. Just get them out. And these ones look something like that, so don't forget where they go. We've got another one right there. Now we have to get this plastic piece off, but to do that we have to get all these Phillips screws out. So to get the Phillips screws out, just need a Phillips screwdriver, and there will be quite a few of these. And you can just pull the plastic piece out very simply, just like that. You are going to have to remove it off the sides and it will come out. Now we are going to take out the Torx bolt here as well because it's in our way. That's going to be a Torx 30 in the corner there. So we're just going to release this. You see that's just out like that. It just goes in sideways and you just turn it in. Then you can slide that out the way. So I don't know how much of this you can see, but if you can see right here, this is the boot strut. Now this is what is causing the issue for the boot not to open automatically. And if you can see, the trouble I've just had to go through just to get to them, these struts here are usually located on the car at the top on a normal boot, but on this car, they're located all the way back here to get to them. And it's not an easy job. So we're gonna get in there and remove them. You guys might not be able to see, or you might see, but I have to be careful because I have to try and find the locking tabs, and I do have to go right down the back there to pull that one off to be able to get to it. So I am probably going to get in your way while I do that, but you can see where they're located, and many of you know how to remove struts just with a flathead screwdriver. Pull the locking tab back and then just knock the strut off. So I put the light in here so you guys can see. So what we're going to try and do is just release it, which we just done with a small screwdriver. I'm not using nothing too big. So now we need to get over to the back side, and you see just like that the boot wants to close now. It's only holding on by one strut. So what we're going to do for now is we're gonna have to put something here till I get the other strut in position. Okay guys, so we do have a new set of struts here that we're gonna be putting on. So we're just gonna go ahead and try and put this on and lock it in. Now that one's done. And if you can see there, it wasn't hard at all to put it on. It just clips straight in. So I've got another one right here we're gonna be putting on the other side. So now guys, we're just gonna remove the other side. And if you can see up here, that's the other strut we're gonna be removing. And we've got the other one ready, just so in case it decides to come out. So we're just gonna open that right now, just to be on the safe side. So we've got it ready to clip in. And we'll take off the other strut. Just like that. That one's off. Now we'll put the new one on. And that is the other boot strut on, guys. So if you had noticed just now, when I actually took that old strut off, the trunk didn't fall on me like it did when I removed that one. So that goes to show you, they were both completely worn and gone, and they needed new ones. Now, if you have the same issue, you guys know what to do to replace it. Now we're just gonna check everything before we close up the boot, and we're just gonna check the boot, make sure it opens and closes properly. So let's check it. Let's see if it opens and closes. You guys ready? Let's see. Look at that. Perfectly opening now the way it should be. So now we're gonna go ahead and put all the car back together. Okay guys, so as you've seen now, I've now replaced the struts on this BMW E63, and as you're seeing, as we're going along in this E63, it's needing more and more stuff. This E63 has been badly neglected, and every time something's broke, nobody has bothered to actually repair it. Bearing in mind, the struts were only £15 for the pair. I don't understand why nobody bothered to actually do that, because that automatic boot release is probably one of the best features of having the E60 and the E63. And it's so good, especially when you need it. You don't realize you need it until there comes a time where your hands are full and you need to release the boot and have it open it automatically, and it don't work. And that's when you'll realize you need it more than ever. So thank you very much for watching, guys, and I hope this video will help you be able to fix your boot release on your BMW. Thank you very much for watching. It's BMW Dr. Dean here, and goodbye.